Transform your Beehiiv from ordinary to extraordinary and watch your subscribers flock to your content. Today, we're diving deep into making your Beehiiv newsletter and website not just functional, but truly attractive a-circumflex euros, the kind that keeps people coming back for more. First impressions matter. We'll start by elevating your branding. Think of your Beehiiv as your digital storefront. Ensure your logo is prominent, your colors are consistent, and your overall aesthetic reflects your brand's personality. Access your platform's branding settings, upload a high-resolution logo, select a color palette that resonates with your brand identity. These small touches build immediate recognition and professionalism. Consistency is key. Use your chosen brand colors across your newsletter, website banners, and any promotional materials. This creates a cohesive and memorable experience for your audience. Next, let's talk readability. A beautiful design is useless if no one can actually read your content. Prioritize clear typography. Choose a font that's easy on the eyes for both screen and print. Maximize readability by adjusting font sizes and line spacing. Avoid overly dense paragraphs. Break up your text with headings, subheadings, and bullet points to guide your reader's eyes. Now, let's enhance the user experience on your Beehiiv website. Make your call to action crystal clear. Use action-oriented language like subscribe now or read more. Your subscribe button should be unmissable. Place it strategically where a visitor is most likely to convert. A visually distinct button will draw attention and encourage signups. Navigation should be intuitive. Make it easy for your visitors to find what they're looking for. Organize your content logically with clear menus and links. Don't forget the power of visuals. Incorporate high-quality images, relevant graphics, or even short GIFs to break up text and add visual interest. Ensure they are optimized for faster loading times. Properly sized and compressed images load faster, improving the overall user experience and preventing potential subscribers from bouncing. By focusing on these design and user experience principles, you'll create an inviting and professional Beehiiv presence that not only attracts new subscribers, but keeps them engaged and loyal. Your attractive Beehiiv is your strongest asset for growth.